Alright, we're doing a short EDC video here. This is my everyday carry. I'll start off with a wallet. Carry that every day. Next we have the Kershaw folder, can onion designed, assisted opening, nice and small. Next, we have the Uzi tactical pen. So I can get a close up here. Nice pen. It's got a glass breaking side to it there. Just a twist down knife there. Writes really good. Next we have keys. Here I have a Lacey 16 gig USB drive and a backup HP 8 gig. And that's about it there. Next I have my trusty Phoenix PD 32. It's 4 different modes. We have 8 lumens. I believe it's 70, 130, and then 315. Also has a momentary on, as well as a full click on, and also a strobe mode that's 315 lumens. Also an SOS mode, if you hold it down for I believe 3 seconds, and that's I believe 130 lumens on that mode. Next we have the Glock 26. This is my everyday carry piece here. Gun is loaded, was safety checked off camera. There's not one in the chamber, but it is loaded with what I carry every day is the Winchester PDX-1 plus P, 124 grain. That is the round of choice. And always carry a spare 10-round magazine, and then I have a spare 15-round that I carry. And there you have it. Also, we have this Old Faithful Kydex holster that I purchased as a kit. Works extremely well. Very cheap. I think it was 35 bucks. Kydex. I will only carry Kydex, my Glock in a Kydex holster, just for the great retention and just the durability. So there you have it, EDC.